Instead, the last words you heard me say were, "Listen, pal, no more nookie till you figure out where to put your mother's bridge club."
Wake up, it's time. We need to find a better place to hide. Make up your mind. I need to know tonight. Day after day, cutting away. Day after day, but anyway.
How you doing, Mrs. D? You need anything?
The scotch, but to thin it out. Don't let me get all Irish. You boys were just lovely today. My God, he had good friends.
He was a friend of yours? The guy who died?
Yeah, we grew up together.
So you live here in Boulder?
No, I moved away after high school.
Where to?
Los Angeles.
Oh, yeah? What do you do there?
I make commercials. Is that a tattoo?
Maybe.
How could you leave me alone with all these people? You know I hate crowds. And high heels. I'm wearing heels. I don't know what I'm doing. I would if you were here. You'd know how to make all these people stop talking about you in the past tense. How to get your pervy uncle off me. How could you leave me alone with your pervy uncle? You know I can't handle him. I can't handle anything without you.
It's time. We need to find a better place to hide. This time, I hope I get the chance to say goodbye.
Did she say anything to you about the honeymoon?
Like what?
Like, is she still gonna go?
Alone in Kauai. You think that's what she needs right now?
No, dude, not alone, you know, with a friend. Because I think it'd be good for her to get away. That kind of thing could be really helpful. Not me,
No.
Dennis. My friend.
Yeah.
Anybody.
Somebody else.
Damn.
Suck it to me. 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 Wait. Hold on. Butt cramp. Okay, go. Suck it to me. 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 That's really good. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Employees must wash their hands before returning to work. Call me. Mr. Yummy.
Jesus! Oh, shit. Gray.